Okay, let's talk about something that all students experience. Academic stress. Yes, academic stress. It is the psychological strain experienced by students due to school-related demands, pressure such as homework, exams, and social expectations. But did you know that one of the best ways to manage stress is through sports and physical activities? Sports can help us release endorphins or happy hormones and allow us to interact, move, and release tension. Specifically, when we play team sports, we don't just move our body. We connect with others, improve teamwork, and release tension. Team sports are highly effective for managing stress because they combine the powerful benefits of physical exercise with the essential support of social connection. In short, team sports offer a structured, active, and social way to combat stress and build a strong support network. Teamwork helps manage stress by providing a support system, sharing responsibilities, and improving communication. And also, in sports, we cheer for one another. We celebrate wins, and we lift each other when we lose. That's how sports help us manage stress. So instead of letting stress take over, we can fight it through movement, teamwork, and play. And now, I will demonstrate 5 basic skills for each 4 major team sports. We will do it with countings and breathing. Are you ready?